this body wash mousse, which is just, I'm wrapping my hair into one of these hair towels and like a really thick lip mask just so it can just absorb into my some extra and to make sure that my curls are clumpy. I'm just using my brush and just going meal yet, so, and also I want to just do some skincare.
To really love somebody? No. Music and all that have something to do with my people up.
Hey guys, how is everyone doing? Honestly, it's been like a little while since I've uploaded a video. I have just been so busy. So obviously now it's the month of May, which is my birthday month. I have content coming up for the month of May, so not to worry. I've just been so busy, like, you know, when the world, like, life just takes over. I just want to give you guys a quick update on my skin since the green pill, because a lot of people have asked me for like an update, and I got my green pill about 2 months ago. Obviously I only got one green pill, which obviously is not the recommended. I believe they recommend you to have like 2 or 3 green pills for the best results. I'm going to show you guys what my skin looks like right now. However, no one should judge me because, so how do I put this? I am not the best at not picking my spots. Since the green pill, I have definitely picked at my spots a couple of times, and I have definitely made some new scars. I'm getting back on it now. I'm getting back on, like, you can see my skin looks bright, it's glowy. Obviously you would have just seen that I did a face mask or whatever. My skin is bright, but I do have some new scars, and like I've got to stop picking the scars. So that is what I'm working on right now, because there's no point in me doing things to make my skin clear if I'm just gonna make it worse again. I also just washed my hair, so please excuse if I'm just looking mad, but yeah, my hair was just washed. So something that has been suggested is, I think it's called kojic acid, and they like sell a face wash bar. That's something that I really want to get to help clear this, and I need to stay consistent with it and none of the picking. I know you guys can shout at me in the comments or whatever. Do what you like, but yes, do I recommend the green pill? 100%. Do I recommend not picking your spots? Yes. So obviously I've been away on YouTube for a little while, but you guys need to follow me on all other social media platforms. Even though I may not be active on YouTube at the time, I may be active on TikTok, I might be active on Instagram, I might be active on anything. See, my birthday is coming end of May, like 20, why am I saying end of May like it's a surprise when my birthday is coming? 22nd of May, obviously the best day of the year. So I have a lot of content coming for you guys, so keep watching, stay watching. Yeah, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and make sure you keep watching for more, because we got more videos coming for you. This was a quick stop off to say, guys, I'm well, I'm doing well. I've had people in my DMs like, when is the next video coming? And I'm like, hello, I've been very busy. I'm still here. I'm still kicking. I'm still... Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
I just wanna feel you. I want you around.